Welcome to the clean energy revolution at Panasonic. You probably know we've been making the world a better place for 100 years. We've also been pioneering solar power since the green movement began, way back in 1975, when only a few companies were exploring alternative energy sources. Okay, I know what you're thinking. What makes one solar panel better than another? They all look the same, right? Well, strangely enough, when panel temperatures rise above 77 degrees Fahrenheit, solar panels actually begin to lose power output. This decline is measured by temperature coefficient, which is why temperature coefficient may be one of the most important factors to compare when shopping for solar panels. With the lowest temperature coefficient on the market, Panasonic HIT panels produce more electricity in high temperatures. Next, a low degradation rate can make the difference between a good solar investment and a poor one. You see, all solar panels work pretty well when new, but then as time passes, performance declines. HIT panels provide one of the lowest degradation rates available, which is why we guarantee a minimum 90.76% rated power output after 25 years, substantially more than other panels. That's less than 10% degradation over 2.5 decades. Over the lifetime of your Panasonic system, you'll produce more electricity and save more money year after year after year. And best of all, your Panasonic solar modules are covered by our warranty. Backed by a century of stability, our comprehensive warranty covers performance and workmanship for 25 years. Why wait any longer when you can substantially reduce or completely eliminate your electric bill now? Call your Panasonic installer for a no-obligation consultation today.